welcome to today's video. We got a product review here. I had a company called Bularie reach out to me and see if I wanted to try out their products. And this is one of the projects I just got through doing. This 21-inch self-propelled mower. I just got done doing service on it, and I was going to get ready to sharpen the blade, but they asked me if I needed something. So I said, sure, I need some blades. I don't know if I could sharpen this one, but I figured I'd go ahead and I'm gonna sell it. I'll put a new one on it, and increase the value on it. So I'm gonna show you what they sent me here from Bularie. The blade is 942-047-0741A, compatible with the 21-inch deck, or like your Cub Cadet and all that. There, so go ahead and get these out. It comes in a 2-pack. I'll put the listing below, and there's a affiliate link there you could use, and it'll help me out and support the channel. But it comes in a 2-pack of blades here. What I like about these is they don't have the, like, you get your MTD blades and they have all that sticker on there, and you gotta deal with all that sticker and all that on there. But go ahead and get into this, and the package is really good, so it's good when it ships to you. So here's the blade. Get one of them. Only need one of them right now. So here's your blade right here. So very good quality. Here, looks like it's pretty good. There, so let's go ahead and get the other blade off while we're here. It's a 5/8 socket. So here we go. This blade, it's not too bad, but I'll save it just in case I need it for another project. It needs a, I always run into, I need 21-inch blades, so here's your comparison right here. Well, compared to what this one is, this one's got a more better edge. There. So this one looks like it's got a little bit more meat on the bones from what I can see. There. So let's go ahead and see if you guys can see this real quick. Here. Okay. So go ahead and swap it out with this one right here. Go ahead and put this on here, get your bolt on here as well. So, looks like it's gonna work out pretty good for this one. So, yeah, I want to thank Bularie for sending this out to me there, and let me try out their products here. Like I said, they come in a 2-pack, so I highly suggest this. I think these are very good products here. So it's in the description box below this video here. You guys can check that out and get yourself some blades, or either if you don't need blades, check out what else they have on their Amazon site there. So yeah, looks like decent blades there, a little bit different, but hey, I think it'll work for what it's intended for. So anyway, thank you, Bularie, for sending this out to me, and I'm gonna go ahead and get off here. You guys keep on turning those wrenches, like, share, subscribe, and see you guys on the next video. Y'all take care.